50 Liberty Drive is arguably Boston's #1 waterfront luxury condo building, with premier residences which deliver an unrivaled, full-service living experience in the newest neighborhood in the city, the Seaport district. In this video, we're discussing the building, homes, amenities, services, and location of the 50 Liberty residences in Boston's Seaport district. Before we start, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor here in Boston. I work with people from all over looking to buy or invest in the city and suburbs. If you have any questions about these homes, other luxury buildings, or Boston real estate in general, please message me anytime. My contact information is here on screen and in the video description below. 50 Liberty on the Seaport District's Fan Pier Boulevard is a 2018 constructed, ultra-luxury condominium development featuring 14 stories and 122 total homes. Built directly next to its sister building, 2015 constructed 22 Liberty, this development consistently commands some of the highest price points in the city. The facade of 50 Liberty is a striking showcase of modern waterfront design. Its exterior is dominated by sweeping floor-to-ceiling glass curtain walls that wrap around the building, creating a sleek, contemporary appearance while delivering breathtaking views of Boston Harbor, East Boston, Logan Airport, and the city skyline. The building's geometry evokes a nautical feel that harmonizes beautifully with its harborfront location. Accents of aluminum and subtle steel details break up the glass expanses with clean, horizontal lines, adding visual interest and emphasizing its modern silhouette. Many residences feature private terraces integrated into the facade, framed with glass railings that maintain the building's transparent, airy aesthetic. At street level, the low-rise podium anchors the tower with a mix of stone and glass finishes, blending seamlessly with the surrounding fan pier development and providing inviting retail spaces and an elegant lobby entrance. Stepping inside the homes, the eye is immediately drawn to the floor-to-ceiling glass windows that flood each unit with natural light and provide unobstructed views of Boston Harbor, the financial district skyline, Logan Airport, and beyond. These expansive windows are framed by ceilings reaching heights of 11 feet, lending an airy, open feel that pairs perfectly with the dark hardwood flooring, a warm, elegant contrast to the cool, panoramic waterfront vistas. Kitchens in these homes are nothing short of culinary showcases. They contain sleek stone countertops, often in waterfall island designs, bordered by high-gloss cabinetry. For example, Rosario crafted wood and upper-tier units. Each unit is equipped with premium, sub-zero refrigeration, Wolf cooktops and ovens, and Miele dishwashers, forming a professional-grade appliance suite that rivals gourmet chef standards. Wine fridges and jewel box pantries are standard, combining form and function seamlessly. Bathrooms reflect luxury via marble surfaces, double vanities, glass-enclosed showers, and separate soaking tubs. In many suites, dual his and her closets accompany opulent marble-clad primary baths and penthouse units, attesting to the building's ultra-high-end positioning. Secondary bathrooms follow the same standard with full layouts, and half baths are provided in the foyers or off the living spaces. Bedrooms maintain consistency with the rest of the home. Floor-to-ceiling windows, high ceilings, hardwood floors, and walk-in closets. Penthouse residences feature private balconies, accessible from the primary suites, enhancing both luxury and privacy. Almost every residence offers private outdoor spaces, balconies or terraces that extend living areas outdoors and provide a constant connection to the waterfront environment. With layouts from one-bedroom homes to sprawling three-bedroom penthouses, they balance functional design with upscale finishes, all framed by what could be considered the best waterfront views in Boston. Sizes range from 946 to 3,619 square feet, with select residences offering additional den spaces. Prices for one-bedrooms range between $1.7 and $2.8 million. Two bedrooms range between $3.2 and $6.5 million. 3 bedrooms start at $5.5 and go up to $20 million. If you're interested in renting, the average monthly rent at 50 Liberty is $12,000. There are rentals available anywhere between $5,000 and $40,000 per month. In terms of taxes, residents are subject to property taxes based on the assessed value of their units. The exact amount will depend on the specific unit and its valuation determined by Boston tax authorities. However, a rate of between $15,000 and $100,000 per year is to be expected. HOA fees are determined by the square footage of the unit and will likely cost between $800 and $7,000 per month. For example, a two-bedroom unit with 1,537 square feet recently sold for $3.2 million with a reported HOA fee of $2,000 per month and a tax rate of $23,000 per year. 50 Liberty has one of the highest appreciation rates out of all the luxury buildings in Boston, with an average yearly appreciation rate of 19%, based on the 58 units which have been resold since completion. This makes it the third best performing condo building in the city. Now, looking at services and amenities offered at 50 Liberty, starting with a 24-hour concierge and doorman staffed lobby, where personalized service is available around the clock. Beneath the building, the convenience of a self-parkated garage ensures comfortable all-season access for residents and guests. Health and wellness are well served with a private, resident-only fitness center outfitted for a range of workouts, making home workouts a daily routine. Adjacent to the gym, a stylish clubroom and resident lounge, complete with a caterer's kitchen, fireplace, boardroom, and harbor view terrace, provides a perfect place to entertain, socialize, or work from home. The location of 50 Liberty is nothing short of exceptional. Situated on Fan Pier, the building enjoys direct access to a waterfront park designed for strolls and relaxation. Lush lawns, strategically placed benches, and harbor views make this park an oasis of calm, ideal for an afternoon picnic or an early morning jog. Residents enjoy looking out over the harbor, watching planes arrive and depart at Logan Airport, and ships cruising by. On the ground floor of 50 Liberty, residents have access to Davio's, offering indoor and outdoor dining. Beyond the park and lobby restaurant, the building opens onto Boston's renowned Harbor Walk, a continuous 43-mile waterfront walkway that threads through the city's most captivating harborfront neighborhoods. At 50 Liberty, access points from Fan Pier lead directly onto the walk, offering uninterrupted maritime views and engaging public art installations. It's not uncommon to encounter sculptures, pop-up markets, and scenic overlooks. Stepping further into the Seaport, the vibrancy of the area becomes immediately apparent. The Seaport is enriched by iconic cultural attractions like the Institute of Contemporary Art, waterfront parks, and open-air event venues. Food lovers flock to diverse dining destinations, including restaurants like Row 34, Ocean Prime, Mastro's, and Savor. Community-oriented spaces such as the Lawn on D host public art, lawn games, evening concerts, and rotating crafts, adding to the neighborhood's dynamic charm. Transportation options are plentiful, including ferry slips, water taxis, the Silver Line, and Blue Bike stations, ensuring connectivity across Boston. The Seaport's evolution from an old industrial zone and parking lots to Boston's cutting-edge innovation district means it's also a hub for technology firms, co-working spaces, and academic events. Overall, the 50 Liberty residences are some of the most exclusive, private, and luxurious homes in Boston. The prime location, high-end units, and fantastic views contribute to the desirability. It's a great option for those who work in Boston or want to reside in an exclusive community. If you're interested in buying, renting, or investing in a home at 50 Liberty, or have questions about real estate, I'm ready to assist you. Check the description to book a meeting, email, or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.